Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I want to say you some warm pictures. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Sit straight. Backbone straight. Everyone close your eyes. Close your eyes ma'am. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Children, open your textbook. Everyone. Chapter number 6. Time. Open a textbook page number 10. Okay, everyone open. See here. Here they given as I will say that you should write in the textbook. Okay. Children, open your textbook page number 10. Okay, example 10. Look at the clock and write time. Also arrange the events. One is done for you. See, here they given clocks. Okay. In these clocks, you should write the time. Okay. I drink milk and I have my breakfast at. What is the time here they given? See, long hand is in 12, short hand is in 8. What is the time now? 8 o'clock in the morning. Understood? Where, when you eat breakfast? In the morning or evening? Morning. Yes. See next. I eat my snacks and do homework at. See, I eat my snacks and do homework at. See, long hand is in 12, short hand is in 4. When you will eat snacks, children? Evening or morning? Evening, yes. Dash o'clock in the evening. What is the time here? See, long hand is in 12, short hand is in 4. Yes. What is the time now? 4 o'clock. Okay. Next. I watch TV at. See, long hand is in 12, short hand is in 7. What is the time? 7 o'clock at night. Understood? You should write here 7. Here, what you have to write? 8. Here, 4. Here, 7. Okay. Next. See here. I go to bed at. What time will go? See here they given the time. What is the time? Long hand is in 12, short hand is in 9. See, long hand is in minutes hand. Yes, short hand is in hour hand. That's it. What is the time now? 9 o'clock. Here you should write 9 o'clock at night. Understood? Next. I reach school at. I reach school at. See, long hand is in 12, short hand is in 9. What is the time? 9 o'clock in the morning. When will go school? Evening or night or morning? When will go? Morning. Yes. At night you will sleep. In the morning you will go school. Yes. Next. I have my dinner at. When you eat dinner, children, tell me, evening, afternoon or morning? When we eat dinner? Night. Yes. See, what is the time? Long hand is in 12, short hand is in 8. What is the time now? 8 o'clock at night. Dinner always we will eat in 9. At night, yes. Night time we will eat dinner. Yes. Okay. Next. Here. I go to play at. See. Long hand is in 12. Short hand is in 5. What is the time? 5 o'clock in the evening. Yes. What is the time? See, our hand is in 5. That's why 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock evening. Okay. Next. I have my lunch at. See, lunch. When we eat lunch, children, tell me, morning time we will eat, afternoon will time, otherwise evening time we will eat lunch, night time we will eat. Which time we will eat? What time? Tell me. Afternoon we will eat lunch. Yes, see, long hand is in 12, short hand is in 1. What is the time? 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes. See, I came home from school at. See, what time will came from school, home from school at? Tell me. Long hand is in 12, short hand is in 3. What is the time? 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes. Okay. Higher order thinking skill. Okay, ma? Draw the hands of the clock to show the given time. 1 is done for you. Turn the page. Here. See. We can draw the hands of the clock as they given 2 o'clock. Yes, here they given 2 o'clock. You should draw the hands like this. Okay. Long hand is in minute hand. 12. Short hand is in 2. Understood? Here. What is the time? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock means what? Long hand also 12. Short hand also 12 you should draw. Understood? Next. See, 12 o'clock. Short and long hand also 12 and short hand also 12. Okay. Like this you should draw. 12 o'clock. Now what is the time here? 10 o'clock. Long hand is in 12. Short hand is in 10. Okay. Next, what is the time here? 11 o'clock. Long hand is in 12. Short hand is in 11. Yes. Now, 4 o'clock. Long hand is in 12. Short hand is in 4. Okay. Draw properly, ma. 4. Okay. Next, what is the time here? 3 o'clock. Long hand is in 12. Short hand is in 3. Okay. Here, what is the time? 5 o'clock. Long hand is in 12. Short hand is in 5. Okay. What is the time here? 8 o'clock. Long hand is in 12. Short hand is in 8. Okay. What is the time here? Long hand is in 12. shorthand is in 9. Okay, children, draw this like, okay. In the textbook you should draw, ma. Understood? Children, see here, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock you should draw, means what you have to do? 2 means what? Hour. Yes. 2 hour hand means what? Short hand. Short hand you should draw in the 2. Minute hand you should draw in the 12. Okay. Next, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock means what? Hour hand also you should draw in the 12, and minute hand also you should draw in the 12. Okay. Short hand and long hand both you should write on the 12. Okay. Next, see here, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, here short hand. Short hand is in 10 because this is hour hand. Long hand is in minute hand. That's why you should draw in the 12 o'clock. 12. Okay. See, long hand is in minute hand. That's why you should draw 12, and hour hand is in 10 because 10 o'clock that is. Okay. You should say the number. What is the time? Okay. Here, 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock means what? Hour hand, short hand is in 11. Minute hand is in 12 you should draw. Understood? Next, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock also. Hour hand 4. Minute hand 12 you should draw. Okay. Here, 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock means what? Hour hand is in 3. Minute hand is in 12. You should draw. Okay. Next, 5 o'clock. Hour hand. Hour hand means what? Short hand. You should draw in the 5. Minute hand means long hand. You should draw in the 12. Okay. 8 o'clock. Hour hand is in 8. Minute hand is in 12. Hour hand means what? Short. Minute hand means long. Here 9 o'clock. Hour hand is in 9. Minute hand is in 12 you should draw. Okay, like this you should draw, children. Learn this, how to draw the hands. Okay, should learn this all. Children, everyone open your homework book, ma. Homework book open. Drill time. The given drill time as name the seasons that fall in the following months. Later days of October. What is the season will fall in October? Tell me. Winter season. As first bit. Name the seasons that fall in the following months. See? Later days of October. Later days of October. Later days of October, which season, ma? Tell me. Already you know columns. Yes, in that column you learned that summer, rainy, winter, when it will fall. Yes. What is the season? October month, later October, winter. Winter season. Yes. Next. What is that question? January. January. Which season will fall in January? Tell me. Winter. Yes. Next. See. April. April. Which season? Summer. S. D. Earlier days of June. Earlier days of June. What is that season? Summer. E. December. December. Which season? Winter. July. Which season, ma? July. Rainy. As write in the homework book. Should write in the homework book.